Want to know how to link your GitHub account or your GitHub profile in well-found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website and make sure you are logged in. So once you're there, here on the left side, you should be seeing various interfaces that you can choose from. So right below home, you should be seeing profile, just simple like that. So once you click the profile, right beside overview, you should be seeing profile again, just simple like that. And now once you're on your profile, scroll all the way down until you see social profiles. So right below LinkedIn, you should see GitHub. So right here, as you can see the example as well, you can just simply copy paste the URL or just simply manually type your username just like this, and your account will be linked automatically. You don't even need to press save, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily link your GitHub profile in Wellfound. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.